Hey guys, this tutorial might be a little long because it's really complicated, so don't get frustrated. If you have any questions, just leave a comment because this is really complicated. So first off, you don't have to do this, I'm just going to show you. If I'm to open my normal Minecraft and log in, just let it load real quick. If I just load up a random world and then go to F3, in the top right corner over here, you could see allocated memory, 490 MB, unused memory. So 490 MB is miserable. That's half a gig. We don't want that. My computer has 12 gigs. I know that. You might not know that. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to hit the Windows button and you know what, you could just type in run. And when you go to run, you want to type in DXDIAG. Have it in here. DXDIAG right there. Hit enter. Something might pop up. You could just hit yes or no. Well, you want to hit yes because it doesn't matter. And you're going to look for this right here, memory. See, it says 12,288 MB. If you get a number like 4,900, 4,096, or 8,192, it's pretty simple. If you get like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, that's 1 gig, 2 gig, 3 gig. It's kind of simple. But based on what you have, you're going to want to use. So let's say you have, 9 gigs or something. Alright, no. Let's say you have 12 gigs like me. I allocated 3 gigs to my Minecraft. So to allocate the memory, you want to type this in up here, right? Right there. But this number has to be double what you want to put in. So if I want to put in 3 gigs, the 3 gigs will be the second number. And then the first number will be double that, which will be 6 gigs. So the 6 gigs number is right here, and the 3 gigs is right there. So double what you want, and then put half, and then you'll, get what you want right there. I can't really explain it, it's kind of hard. But next step. You want to go to your Windows button and you want to type in Minecraft, and you want to right click and go to properties. Under general, you'll see location. Right now it's on my desktop, so all you got to do is highlight this and copy, exit out of that, and you see how there's a quote here. Put the quote after space after the jar right here, and you want to paste. There you go. That's mine. Yours would be different. It would be, I don't know, if your PC's name is Jimmy, it would be Jimmy there. And if your Minecraft is in your app data, it'll say app data there, and, whatever. And then you want to go backslash Minecraft.exe quote. There you go. So if you did this correctly, you could save it as... You go to save as, and you type in Minecraft.bat. Anything you want. I already have it, so I'm not going to do it. But you're not done yet. If you just want to launch it this one time and you don't want to save it, if you think I'm going to fuck up your computer or something, you could test it right now. So all you got to do is copy, open. Alright. So go to the Windows button and type in CMD. And then just right click, paste, hit enter, and it should pop up. Yep, right there. So if we log in now, you're going to see a different number in the top right, which is going to incredibly improve your performance in Minecraft. So if you hit F3, allocated memory 2,944. That's about 3 gigs in Minecraft. You're not going to lag whatsoever. So this is a new world, so it's still generating. But even this, you'll see that the world will generate quicker and you won't really lag. So it's a lot better. And if you did it right, it should work. If you didn't, leave a comment with your problem. Alright, so if you want to actually keep it so you don't have to continuously keep, opening that with the CMD every time, all you have to do is save this notepad as, save as Minecraft.bat. Or anything .bat, and save it to your desktop. See, I have mine on my desktop right here. It looks like the 2 gears. If I double click that, what the fuck? Alright, Yeah, it didn't do it because my Minecraft is in the desktop now. So if I was to go to edit and then open it and then change this, and go to properties now, go to location and copy it and paste it there, / Minecraft.exe again, and then save, it should work now because I moved it from my downloads. What the fuck? Yeah, there we go. Alright, I moved it from my downloads to my desktop. So inside the folder, it was accessing my downloads, and it couldn't find anything that said Minecraft under my downloads because I moved it to my desktop. I forgot to change it. So now that I changed it, I can just keep, double clicking this every time I want to play Minecraft, and it'll have all that memory in there every launch, and I won't lag at all. So if you're confused as fuck and you got nothing I'm saying, leave a comment, and that's all for now.